Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has a hidden light performance mode that can help save battery life? Let me show you how to find it using Gemini. First, open Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now type or say Open Settings. Gemini will quickly open the Settings app for you. Next, scroll down and tap Device Care. Now scroll down again and select Performance Profile. Here, you will see two options, Standard and Light. The Standard profile gives you normal performance for everyday use, but the Light profile is designed to reduce battery usage and help keep your phone cooler. In this tutorial, select Light. Once enabled, your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will use a more battery-friendly performance mode for daily tasks. This can help improve battery life without heavily affecting normal usage. And that's how to enable light performance mode to save battery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra using Gemini.